what happened?
It is a very clear message that the indigenous people of Tripura are against the Citizenship Amendment Act. Tripura has already accommodated many people. We are requesting the government of India to kindly reconsider, because the plight of the indigenous people is in grave danger, under threat. We want assurances from the government of India, and we don't want this act to be implemented in Tripura, because Tripura has taken enough already. We have all gathered here today, non-politically, and we want to show to New Delhi that you cannot bow down the voice of the indigenous people of Tripura anymore. We are here not as any political party, we are here as Tiprasa, we are here as proud Indians, and we oppose this bill, this act, because it affects the very existence of our community.
Sir, you have also met the Home Minister. What was the discussion? What is your message?
The Home Minister met us and he tried to make us understand that this bill is in the interest of this country. I am telling him that if we are not Indians, we are Indians too. If this bill is not in our interest, then how is it in the interest of the country? Can you segregate one community and say that this is in the interest of the country? I have told him that I'll take him to the Supreme Court. We have gone to the Supreme Court. We are very hopeful that the highest judiciary in this land will consider taking justice done to the indigenous people of this region. Not only Tripura, but the entire Northeast. I am not here as a leading the social society. So I've been very honest with him. He heard us patiently. I'm hopeful that he will reconsider his decision and not enforce this act in the entire region, and specifically so today because we are in Tripura. We do not want this act. We are very categorical. There is no compromise.